Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Cobb's channel, and this is a continuation of the Excel series. So we have a set of data over here for order number, dates, driver name, item, number of items, transport, mode, and destination. So what we will use the formulas today is COUNTIF, SUMIF, and MAXIFS. Okay, so this will be MAXIFS. Okay, and this is what we are gonna try to find from the given table. So based on the ask, we will use the formula. Okay, so now let's see number of orders in Boston. So how many times the order was made from Boston? If you see, the order place is not given, but the destination is given. So we assume like wherever was the destination was the place of order. So number of orders in Boston. So we need to do a count if, because we just need a count. So this will be the range, count range, and the count criteria will be Boston. Okay, so 4 times. Let's check. We are looking for, Boston 4 times. Okay, perfect. Second, number of microwave orders. So how many orders were there for microwaves? Okay, not number of orders, but number of how number of microwaves. Okay, so total we need. So that's why we need to do a sum if. Now the range from which we will use the criteria. So it will be item and the criteria will be microwave. Okay, and the sum range will be this. So 120 microwaves were ordered in total. Let's look for microwave. How much? How many actually? 120. Here you go, 120. Okay. So next one is how many times are number of items less than 20? So how many times the order was made and the number of item was less than 20? So again, we need a count if the range will be this, the condition will be less than 20. Okay. So 9 times the order was made when the items were less than 20. Okay. Let's check. 9. See, the count is 9. We also got 9. So maximum number of items transported to Pittsburgh by truck 1. Now think, we need the maximum number of item. So what was the maximum number of item which was transported to Pittsburgh? That too by truck 1. So we need a maximum. So that is why we will use MAXIFS. So the maximum range, from which range we are trying to find the maximum number, is number of items. Okay. Now criteria range 1. So let's take this. What will be the criteria for this? Truck 1. Okay. Now criteria range 2. So destination we need. The destination was what? Pittsburgh. Okay. So 30. So let's see. Truck 1 and Pittsburgh. So the maximum number of item was 30, which was twice. Okay. Now number of orders in Boston after 3rd of Feb 2024. Okay. So again, we need to do a count if, but based on a date. So here is the date and how many times it was delivered after. So greater than 03 02 2024. 17 times. Now let's see after 3rd. Okay. So we not include 3 because we need after this. Starting from 4, how many times? 17. Okay, and we also got 17. So yep, thank you for watching the video, and please give your recommendation and around what Excel topics you want the videos to be. Thank you so much.